What's up, YouTube? This is JB, back with another Mustang video. For those who are new to the channel, first time watching the videos, these Mustang videos are about my 1967 Mustang Fastback build. Some people, when they watch the videos, they want to walk around, I guess if you haven't seen like the first videos. But let's go ahead and do a quick walk around real quick. It's my 1967 Fastback. I got the car from somebody in Arizona, and he went ahead and he sent a lot of parts with it too, but this is it. Let me see if I can get well, you can see it a little bit here, but let's get a light going in here so you can see the engine bay. Everything's pretty much been cleared out, or cleaned up already, I should say. Just some damage to that fender, but the car is in really good shape. Just a lot of surface rust, but that's better than, you know, having a lot of holes in the car. So that's it. That's the Mustang. So let's go ahead and get to this unboxing here. So for the interior, I am going to be going the brushed aluminum look. And as you can see here, I got some Dakota digital gauges, but we'll open that next. But let's see. So I'm going to brushed aluminum look. Here's for my gauges to go in. I think that's gonna look real nice inside. So let me sit this right here to the side. Now it's time for the main event, these Dakota digital gauges. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I bought the HDX gauges. So let's see what all comes in here. Let's see. Here's the speedometer. You can see that. So here, go ahead. So that's that. temperature gauge. For the gas. Oil. Dang, this box really just full of bubble wrap, it seems like. Here go the control box. This one thing I do like. If anybody, used to do this a long time ago, it used to be a bunch of different boxes that you connect. Now it's all in this one. So that makes things a lot better. Here's all the senders for reverse. It goes into the transmission and all that stuff. So that's all these right here. And I think that's, oh no, here goes something else. This is used to help with mounting, so that's that right here. Mark that back up. Now, I believe that's it this time. All this other stuff. No, wait, it is some more. Hold on. And then here go the booklet, some more harnesses, instructions on how to connect everything. Speed sensor stuff. So this is everything else that you need right here. So, yeah, so that's it. So that's the gauges. I can't wait to actually see them in the car. I don't know if you can see, but this little display right here is the digital part. And I like that you'll be able to basically change the color of like the numbers and things like that. So that's gonna be a plus for the interior. So that's the Dakota digital gauges. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of this build. If you got any ideas as far as colors and things like that, I don't know if you've seen some of the other videos, but I go into some of the other parts that I've already got, and they're waiting to be installed into the car now. So hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Until next time, all right, peace.